Hey guys, welcome to Kitī Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this Year of the Dragon Hello Kitty. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start in the center and let's draw the nose with a sideways oval. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw another set of ovals for the eyes. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve across. Now on the sides here, let's add the dragon's whiskers. Let's hop up and we're going to draw a wavy line down on both sides. Then a line at the top, and another wavy line down coming to a point. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. And then connect it at the bottom. And lastly, for the face, inside, let's draw 3 lines for the whiskers on both sides. And then thicken these up slightly. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the dragon hat. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across, like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the dragon's mouth with a curve across. And then 2 curved V-shapes up on top for the teeth. And then inside at the top, let's draw 2 small ovals for the nostrils. Next, let's hop to the right side and let's add the bow. Near the whisker here, let's start with a circle. And then let's add a curve on top and on the bottom. And then another curve inside each side. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move back on top and let's add the eyes. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up and bring it down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's move over on the right side and let's draw another curve in the same way down to the bow. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve up and down inside each eye. And then another curve down underneath. Now inside each eye, let's add a circle at the top. And now let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's add the fur around the eyes. Let's start in the center and let's draw a point up and back down. And then let's work our way around the eye, drawing points all the way around. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. And then let's continue it down behind the eyes on both sides. Now for the left, let's draw another curve down. And the same on the right under the bow. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move in and let's add some details on the top. In between the eyes, let's draw a curve and another one on top. And let's do the same crescent shape on top again. Now on top, let's add a small curve with a V shape up. And then one more spike on top of the head. Now let's hop to the sides and add the ears. We'll start on the top left and let's draw an angle out. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw a bumpy line all the way back down and into the head. Next, let's hop to the top and let's draw a bumpy line out. And again, let's bring it back down and in. And lastly, inside each of the ears, let's add 4 curves going down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 curves down for the sides of the body. And then a curve across the bottom. Now from the sides, let's add the arms. We'll start with an angled curve down on both sides. Then a bump up for the thumb. And then one more curve down and back in. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's draw a line down in the center, and then a curve on both sides. And then curve it back into the center. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and draw the pattern detail on the outfit. At the top in the center, let's draw a curve. And then a curve out from both sides. Now for the ends, let's curve it back in. And then draw curved spikes all the way back into the center from both sides. And now let's draw 2 more smaller ones underneath in the same way. And that's it for this dragon, Hello Kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!